Okay. Hello and welcome to today's tutorial of C++, the first of its kind. So today our task is very simple. We are going to download an IDE to program in C++ and test if the IDE is actually working. So an IDE is an integrated development environment. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to go to open our web browser. We're going to open our web browser, Chrome, Mozilla, any web browser you have, to open it and search www.codeblocks.org. Then go to the download section and download the Ming w-setup.exe file. The Ming w-setup.exe file. MING w-setup.exe file. Or to make your work shorter or easier, you can just visit my Telegram channel eAgraki. The link is in the description, and download code blocks from there. Alright, so once you download it, it's an exe file. You don't need to extract, you just need to install it. Once you are done with the installation, you just need to double click and open it. So I already have it installed, so I double click and it's opening. So this is code blocks opening. So C++, programming in C++ is fun, it's easy, and a great language for beginners. So if you're a beginner, don't get scared. It's fun, it's easy to understand. Alright, so my code blocks is open now. So now I want to test if this IDE is actually working. So we go to create a new project. Then you go to console application, then next. Okay, we have to give our project a name. So I name it C++ chat. Then next, then we click finish. So we are done. We have a blank space here, which shouldn't be. So we expand this sources folder by clicking the plus. Then we double click on the main.cpp, and voila, we have an open page here where we can test if this code or this IDE is actually working. So we can run and see if it's actually working. We click at the top here, the top toolbar. We have a green arrow there. We click on it. I think we click yes. And yes, hello world. Our IDE is working. So now I want us to understand the syntax over here. We have hash include IOStream. So now let's explain the syntax. Hash include IOStream. We are including the IOStream library that actually let us access and let us code in C++. It let us access the C++ libraries and code in them. Then using namespace std allows us to use names for objects in programming. And the int main contains everything that is outputted. So that's the main function. Anything you put there is going to be output. Anything you put there is going to be run. That's the main function. Then we have the curly bracket on line 6 and line 9 that open the main function and closes it. Then we have cout and two less than symbols over there. Then we have hello world in quotation marks. Then the two less than again, then end line. So the cout simply means output. So cout simply means output. You are telling the system output hello world. The two less than symbols over there is just a syntax. That's how it is done in C++. So the more you code, the more you get used to it. So output hello world. Then we have end line. End line simply means end the line. Break over here, end line. End L, end line, break the line, end over here. It's like a full stop. So in programming in C++, end line simply means full stop. That's what it means. Then return 0 means that's the end of the main function. It just simply means that's the end of the main functions. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section. Drop your comment as well. Like and subscribe to this channel. And the next tutorial will be on C++ output. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.